Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset a game in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Learn section, click on the Solo Chess button. And if you start playing and you want to start it over, then just click on the icon at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the Reset Game button. And then there's a notice that all progress will be lost, and then just click on the yes button, and as you can see, the game is reset. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.